I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're facing a payment decline on Lyft's website, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your payment method. Make sure your credit or debit card details are correct. Log into your account and navigate to the payment section. Step 2. Verify your card balance. Ensure that your card has sufficient funds or credit available. Sometimes, a temporary hold could affect your balance. Step 3. Update expired cards. If your card has expired, update it with a new expiration date. This can often be the reason for a payment decline. Step 4. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, browser issues can cause problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try again. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shrc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope these steps help you resolve your payment issue quickly. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have further questions.